The Ranger fragrance from Tabletop Beard brings you forest, fresh rain, and leather. And everything I just said there is actually what it smells like. And if you're trying to put that image together, let me help you guys out here. Those top notes or the first notes are the green foresty notes, almost like some foliage off to the side. Absolutely refreshing and earthy at the same time. And then after you get through that forest, you get that crisp, fresh rain. I don't know how it's possible. I don't know how you get that magic into a bottle, but it does smell like that crisp rain that hit a leaf in the forest, and then throw a curveball in and you have the leather. Now, the leather just simply works. It is rich, it is manly, and it brings together the forest and the rain. This is an unbelievably addicting scent that you keep coming back to. Even if you don't want to wear this that day, you're gonna smell the bottle. You're gonna keep coming back to it. 3 different types of scents brought together in a beautiful marriage of the Ranger.